Thank you for tuning into The Pretty Fix. I am celebrity makeup artist Melissa Murdoch, ready to show you how to use glitter without making a mess. Glitter is so pretty, and it's a really easy way to amp up your look for a special occasion, but wearing glitter can kind of only go one of two ways. Either the whole experience is super fun and you look super cute, or it's a total nightmare disco mess that takes over your entire face and everything you have ever touched or owned, because glitter gets everywhere. Getting it to stick only in the places you want is normally a pretty major challenge, but the techniques in this video are gonna place you back in control so that you can create these sparkly, eye-catching looks you want without running the risk of looking like a glitter bomb exploded next to your face. When you're working with glitter, it's best to do your eyes fully first before the rest of your makeup. Then you want to lay down a thick layer of loose powder beneath your eyes that you can sweep away later with any of the glitter that falls. Glitter tends to stick to skin and to moisture in general, so eliminating both of these with powder is going to guarantee that if you get any glitter fallout, you can really easily sweep it away with a fluffy powder brush before you apply the rest of your makeup. Apply a sticky base for your glitter to adhere to by investing in a glitter primer, which is basically just a tacky primer specifically formulated to hold your glitter on. If you need some product recommendations, don't worry, I've got links right beneath this video. Glitter just hardly sticks at all on its own, and if you just put it on directly, it's gonna fall down onto your face as you wear it if you don't use a glitter primer. Obviously, if you're in a pinch, you can skip it, but you're not gonna get very good results. If you've already done other eyeshadow, it's totally fine to apply this primer over top in the area that you want to add your sparkle. Just use a small brush or your finger and pat on a thin layer. Next, pick up the glitter with your finger instead of a brush. Brushes just don't grip glitter in a way that gives you control. They actually kind of cause a lot of fallout, and they also won't press the glitter on to where it fully sticks. Even if you're using kind of a flat synthetic brush, it just isn't as good as your fingertip. Pat your finger onto the glitter itself and then press it on top of the glitter primer firmly. This will make sure it adheres and stays in place all night long without fallout. That's all there is to it. Just in case you're wondering, you can totally follow the same process to apply glitter to other areas of your face. If you're creating a glitter lip, for example, just make sure that you use a thick, creamy lipstick as the base that the glitter adheres to. But if you want to add some glitter on your cheeks or other areas of your face, you can use that same glitter primer, and it's going to make sure that it stays put. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button along with the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of the other great tutorials I've got coming your way. And also, you've got to make sure that you head over to my full site, theprettyfix.com, for way more expert makeup know-how.